Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up multiple budgets for different goals in Cleo. Now, do you have several savings goals? Well, no problem. Cleo lets you create multiple budgets to stay organized. Let me show you how it's done. So the first thing you're going to do is to open Cleo and go to budgets. This section might be listed under financial tools or planning. Next, you're going to tap create new budget. So you usually see a plus button to add another budget. So just go ahead and tap that. And then you're going to name your budget. So for example, you could use vacation funds or emergency savings or a new car, new house, whatever it is. Go ahead and name your budget. Then you're going to set spending limits or savings targets. So here you can input how much you want to save or spend for each category. Next step is to track your progress. Now, Cleo will monitor how you're doing and send you updates to keep you well informed. Multiple budget helps you juggle different goals without getting overwhelmed, and it's a pretty useful feature from Cleo that saves you a lot of headache. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.